Alright, so I'm going to be doing a silver bullet short this morning. I'm going to be noting the sell side here. I'm watching this one. This might present the silver bullet for this morning, aiming for that sell side. I really like the idea of returning back to the current new week opening gap high and consequent encouragement, just midpoint of that. Now, the only thing that concerns me is because we have that large range up close candle to the left of all of this decline, and the fair value gap I have noted here, that might become a balanced price range, and it may not even enter back into that. So I'll have to wait, but it's better to miss the move than try to chase it. So we're technically inside of my ICT silver bullet time window. So we're 2 minutes, 3 minutes almost after 10, and we have just now tapped into that low that was a draw on liquidity for me. If it can create a fair value gap in there, then I'll adjust that rectangle down to that, and that would be my silver bullet, expecting the one that I have shaded now as a silver bullet as a breakaway gap. In other words, not seeing it trade back up into it. Here, so it's kind of like an evolving silver bullet. So that right there is the low, and this is the high of the new adjusted silver bullet. So it's evolved from what I thought initially was around that 42.10 level. What I'm looking at is how I want to do my exit. I want to see if we can drop in here, which is what I want to see. I see it like run quickly away from that gap. That would be, in my opinion, confirmation that on one side I'm in line with institutional order flow, and it will want to reprice down into my new week opening gap high and maybe consequent encouragement. I want to see it really just wipe out that low. It's that little shaded area. That is the difference between Friday's price and where we closed and where we opened this morning in here. So I want to see it work really aggressively below and really draw right back into that current new week opening gap high. And then it should, if everything is accurate in my observation, we should see it really sink lower and attack that consequent encouragement 41.93.5. And there we go. So that's what a evolving silver bullet trade looks like.